The Irvin L. Young Memorial Library is now providing memory activity kits for checkout. Formulated for use by people living with Alzheimer's disease, mild cognitive impairment, or other forms of dementia, these kits will help entertain and occupy people so their care partner can focus on themselves or on another activity for a while. When used by someone living with dementia, they provide a safe way to encourage participation on a theme while promoting cognitive stimulation and diversion. By setting up one of these kits for the person who needs care, a care partner can have the freedom to make dinner, take a shower, or do some laundry. Several themes are available, including games, sewing, kitchen memories, financial affairs, mechanical assembly, and planting. There is something to match everyone's interest. Each kit is designed to spark memories, create positive feelings, and increase meaningful activity. They circulate for 3 weeks and may be renewed one time. If you are providing care for a friend or family member, stop by the Whitewater Public Library at 431 West Center Street to borrow a memory activity kit today.